Hello and welcome back, everybody. If your local send application is not working on your device or not showing devices, in today's video we are going to fix the issue. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the solutions. So first of all, we can check the network connections. You can head over to devices settings for both of the devices, and then you can go to Wi-Fi connections and ensure that both of the devices are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. If not, you can connect each other to the same network connection. Apart from that, you can go ahead and clear the app data. So go to settings for that, open it up, and from there you can go ahead and look out for app and open up your app settings. And once you open up your app settings, you need to search for local send and find it up and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you can go ahead and scroll the given options and find the option for storage. And from storage, just go ahead and clear cache in the bottom right corner to go ahead and resolve the potential data corruption. Or you can try clearing the data. So look out for clear data and tap on it, and that should reset the app to its default state. As a last resort, you can also try installing and reinstalling local send from your device's app store. So look out for the install option and confirm on it. And once you confirm on it, you can reinstall the local send application again on your device. Apart from that, what you can do is you can just go ahead and enable location services. For that, you can go to your settings and go to location, find location and tap on it, and ensure that the location is turned on. So you can turn it on by tapping on this toggle option, and that should give access to local send. And make sure that the local send application is working in background as well. You can long press on that and go to the info section at the top, and from there you can just scroll through the given options and go ahead and look out for the option to allow it to work it on background as well. So these are some of the solutions you can try out if the local send is not working or not showing devices. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.